Started from 2 days. We are doing the 7 marks questions. Yesterday we have seen circumcenter. In previous video we have seen circumcenter. Okay, today also we are going to see circumcenter but different method. Okay, it is the same process but look at the method here. Find the circumcenter of triangle with sides 3x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and plus 5x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now observe here. Now line equations are given. Okay, so 3x minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Next equation, next equation. For A, which equations you have to solve? 0 and for this equation 0. So x, y, 1. So here minus 1, minus 5, 3, minus 1. 3, 1, 5, 3. So this because x by minus 1 minus of minus 15, y by minus 25 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 9 minus of 5. So x by 15, y by minus 23, 1 by 9 plus 5. So x by 14, y by minus 28, 1 by 14. Therefore x is equal to 14 by 14, y is equal to minus 28 by 14. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. So I am writing A point 1 comma minus 2. Again, look at here, why it is 7 marks, you will understand now. For B, which equations you have to consider? 3x minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So again x, y, 1. So minus 1, minus 5, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, 2. Therefore x by 4 minus 10, y by minus 12 is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1. So AD, so many problems we have done, sir, these models. That's why I am doing directly. Minus 1 into minus 4, 4, 2 into 5, minus 10, minus or minus plus. So this becomes x by 4 minus 10. So this becomes 4 plus 10, 14. Y by minus or minus plus 12 minus 5, 7. Here 6 plus 1, 7. X is equal to 14 by 7, y is equal to 7 by 7. Therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Therefore, for the B point, 2 comma 1. Now, for C, which equations you have to consider? X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 5x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. X, y, 1. So again 2 minus 4, 1 and 2. Then 3, 1, 5, 3. Therefore x by 2 minus of minus 12, y by minus 20 minus 1, 1 by 3 minus 10. So x by minus of minus plus, so 14, y by minus 21, 1 by minus 7. X is equal to 14 by minus 7, y is equal to minus 21 by minus 7. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3. So what is the C point? Minus 2 comma 3. Okay, so we got A point, B point, C point. Okay, we got A point, B point. Problem is not over, sir. We have to continue now. We got A point, B point, C point. I am writing these points here. A point, what we got? 1 comma minus 2. What is the B point? 2 comma 1. What is the C point? Minus 2 comma 3. Initially it will not be there. No, we got the values. Now copy up to here. Right. Now again our same procedure. Let x comma y. S is x comma y. Yesterday we have done from here. What is the A point we got? 1 comma minus 2. B point 2 comma 1. C point minus 2 comma 3. So A point, B point, C point has come. So we know SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. We have done from here. So yesterday what we have done, from here we started the problem. Today we are finding the points. General it will come given for 7 marks, sir. Not sometimes if you are lucky you will get this problem. Otherwise generally he will give you this. Now again SA is equal to SB. So root of x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to root of x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square under root. Square roots will get cancelled. Plus y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. Again x square y square, x square y square. Here minus 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to minus 4x minus 2y plus 5. Observe here, plus 5 will get cancelled. Bring the term this side. Minus 2x plus 4y plus 4x plus 2y is equal to 0. 4x minus 2x, 2x plus 6y is equal to 0. Observe here, yesterday also we got like this, sir. Okay, so one problem. So remember here, x plus 3y has come. We are cancelled by 2 table. Right, next. SA is equal to SC. SA is equal to SC. What is SA? X minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square under root is equal to SC is what, sir? X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Square roots will get cancelled. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to plus 9. So x square y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to here 4x minus 6y plus 13. Okay, 4x plus minus 6y, 4 plus 9, 13. Bring the term this side. Minus 4x plus 6y minus 13 is equal to 0. So this becomes minus 6x plus 10y minus 8 is equal to 0. Cancelled by minus 2 table. Minus 2. So what will happen? 3x minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Second equation. Now from the first equation, x is equal to minus 3y. What is the first equation? X is equal to minus 3y. Therefore, from 1, x is equal to minus 3y. Put here 3 into minus 3y minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 9y minus 5y. So what I have done? X is equal to minus 3y. I have put minus 9y minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this becomes minus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. So 14y minus 14y is equal to minus 4. Minus minus will get cancelled. Minus 4. So y is equal to what, sir? 4 by 14, which is 2 by 7. And therefore x is equal to what, sir? Minus 3y. So what will happen? So x is equal to minus 6 by 7. Therefore, circumcenter. So look at here, we have to find A point, B point, C point, and we have to find the again SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Okay, please note. Next, one more problem. Find circumcenter of triangle given by x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0, 5x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Again, triangle A, B, C. X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay, again same procedure. For A, which equations we consider? 0. Okay. That's why I told you cross multiplication method is very important. Initially I told you. Okay. Now, if you learn, this will be very easy, sir. 1, 2, 1, 1. Y coefficient constant, x coefficient, y coefficient. Next, minus 2, 5, 1 and minus 2. X by 5 minus of 4, y by 2 minus 5. 5 minus of minus 4. Next, 1 by minus 2 minus 1. X by minus of minus is plus y by minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 3. X is equal to 9 by minus 3 minus 3, y by minus 3 by minus 3 1. So x is equal to minus, that is A point is minus 3 comma 1. Right? Again, for B, which equations are considered? X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then 5x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So again, x, y, 1. So 1, 2, 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 2, 5, minus 1. Okay, so x by minus 2, minus of minus 2. Observe here. Correct. X by minus 2, minus of minus 2 is equal to y by 10 minus of minus 2 is equal to 1 by minus 1 minus 5. Observe here, x by minus 2 plus 2, 0. Here minus 2 plus 2, 0. Here y by 12 is equal to 1 by minus 6. X is equal to 0 by minus 6. Y is equal to 12 by minus 6. So x is equal to 0. 0 by anything is 0. Here y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, what is the B point? 0 comma minus 2. Okay. Now, for C, x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Next, 5x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, x, y, 1 minus 2, sorry, put a line. Don't forget this method, sir. So, minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 5, minus 1. X is equal to 4 minus of minus 5, y by 25 minus 2 is equal to, next one, y 1 by minus 1 minus of minus 10. So, what I have done? Minus 4 minus of minus. So, this becomes x by 9, y by 27, 1 by minus of minus plus. So, x is equal to 9 by 9, y is equal to 27 by 9. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So what is the C point? 1 comma 3. So we have solved A point, B point, C point. I am writing here for the A point minus 3 comma 1. What is the B point? 0 comma minus 2. What is the C point? 1 comma 3. Alright. So we wrote first equations, then now we have to use again same procedure. Please note down up here. Now again S is x comma y. For the A point we got, sir, minus 3 comma 1, B point is 0 comma minus 2, C point is 1 comma 3. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. So SA is equal to SB root of x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, okay, is equal to root of x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Okay, so you got this way. Then remove the square root. X square plus 6x plus 9 y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. Again x square y square, x square y square. So 6x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 4y plus 4. Bring the term this side. 6x minus 2y plus 10 minus 4y minus 4. So this becomes 6x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. Cancel with the 6th table. First equation. So we got equation here, sir. We did not got like constant lekunda le, sir. Here it is a constant is there. This is the first equation. Okay, again SA is equal to SC root of x plus 3 whole square y minus 1 whole square is equal to root of s minus c. So square root will get cancelled. X square plus 6x plus 9 plus 1 plus 9. So x square y square, x square y square. Here plus 9 is there, here also plus 9. So all we can cancel like this. Now what are left out? 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to here minus 2x. Here 1 also will get cancelled. Plus 1 also will get cancelled. So 6x minus 2y is equal to minus 2x minus 6y. Bring the term this side. 6x minus 2y plus 2x plus 6y is equal to 0. Observe here. 1 9 is getting cancelled, 1 9 is getting cancelled. So 6x plus 2x, 8x plus 4y is equal to 0. So cancel with the 4 table. 2x plus y is equal to 0. Observe here. Again in this we got like this. 2x plus y is equal to 0. Cancel by 4. So this becomes y is equal to minus 2x. Put in 1. So again we got from here. So I am putting in the first equation. X minus of minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Because x minus y plus 1. So x minus of minus 2x. So minus of minus become plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. Because 1 if you bring here it becomes minus 1 divided by 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Therefore y is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore circumcenter minus 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Okay, so SA is equal to SB is equal to SC concept. Please note down this. Again one more problem. Find the circumcenter of x plus y is equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, again is asking. Now I am drawing a triangle. Look at this problem. A, B, C. First one is what, sir? X plus y is equal to 0. 2x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then x minus y equal to 2 is given, so put minus 2 is equal to 0. Always it should be equal to 0. So what I have done, x minus y is equal to 2 is there, so x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, observe here what I am doing here. For a, x plus y is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to 0. Look at here, from this, what is the x value? Minus y. Now there is no constant, so you can use this method. Whenever there is a possibility, we can use this. So x plus y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus y. Therefore, x is replaced by minus y. I am putting here. X is replaced by minus y, minus 2. So minus 2y minus 2 is equal. Here I am not using cross multiplication method. So minus y, minus 2. So minus 2y is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus of minus 1 plus 1. So x is equal to 1. So again I am explaining here, because x plus y is there directly, I can say x is equal to minus y. I am putting that value here. In the x place I can write minus y. Observe here. So here x is equal to minus y, minus 2. That's what I wrote. Then we got y value, then x value. Therefore a point is what, sir? 1 comma minus 1. Okay. Again, for b, which equations you have to consider? X plus y is equal to 0, then 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Again from this, x is equal to what, sir? Minus y. Put here. So 2 into minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore minus 2y plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this becomes y plus 5 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 5. Therefore x is equal to minus of minus 5 plus 5. Therefore what is the p point? 5 comma minus 5. So we got directly. Now there is no need of cross multiply. Now for c, observe here. For c, what is the c equation? You have to consider these two. Two x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have to use cross multiplication method. There is no, without constant it is not there, with the constant is there, so cross multiplication. X, y, 1. So here, observe this. Okay, here why I have selected this problem. Here we can use direct method. Here because there is no constant, we can use this way. There is no constant, we can use. But for this we have to use cross multiplication method. 1, 5, 2, 1. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1. X by minus 2, minus 5. Y by minus 4. 1 by minus 1. 5 plus 4. 1 by minus 3. X is equal to 3 by y by 9. 1 by minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by minus 3 minus 1. And y is equal to 9 by minus 3 minus 3. Therefore, what is the c point? Minus 1 comma minus 3. We got a point, b point, c point. I am writing here 1 comma minus 1, b comma minus 5, minus 3. Okay. Now listen here. What I want now, you people, I am writing here s is x comma y, a point is 1 comma minus 1, b point is 5 comma minus 5, c point minus 1 comma minus 3. We have done this problem so many. I want you should start doing it. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC concept you have to apply, and you have to find x and y value. Okay, please try this, sir. If you got any doubt, you can explain me. The answer for this problem is 14th problem. Problem 1. What is the circumcenter? Minus 3 comma 1. You should get 3 Roman 1, 14th one, minus 3 comma 1. Okay. The answer should be, this should be your answer. Okay, I expect you people start doing it this, sir. Okay, given up to here, then I am asking to find SA is equal to SB, SA is equal to SC, same procedure, and solve for x and y. equation like this, then you have to use cross multiplication method, then you have to get x value minus 3, y value 1. Okay, circumcenter we have finished. Next class we will see orthocenter.